Hi guys, welcome to Acetech, and we're right here in 346 Hall 5, and right now right here we have our latest product called S-Target. So let me demonstrate a little bit demo for you guys.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so come take a closer look at the setting of this S-Target system. You can connect with the wire or wireless. And I just played the demo mode for you guys. And it also has a 5 modes in this game. And each game you can set its own round to the different game modes feature. Like I will choose the rescue mode and start. The one will be red and other will be purple. So the red one is hostage, and the purple one you have to shoot it. But remember, the color you can select in the app, but only in hostage mode the red is you cannot adjust. And inside the app we have setting. And now you can set the target system color. Like right now it's purple. When you want to change back to default, it's green. And you can call the targets. And call targets below we can show demo the percentage of battery. So right now you can see some targets the battery is a bit low, and then you can call it, so it will be light. Like the A1 is motion targets, and the 5 is also the below one. These two battery needs to be notified. And you can also set in the target brightness, and the target will display simultaneously. Also the target sounds and scoreboard's brightness. And now we will include more game mode in the near future, so customer can update through the app right here. And yeah, that's it. That will be our S-Target system. This product is called Genesee. Right here is fixed with the Glock 19, and we had the long one and the compact one. And the cool thing about this is it combined with the chronograph and also laser pointer and torch flashlight inside. It also is a tracer BB. And I can show you how to use it. Right now it's closed, and you want press, it will light. It will light when I push it, the button. And I quick push 3 times, the laser will come up. 3 times, it will close. And I can put it down this button right here, so that the flashlight will be consistent. And when I put it down, it will be bursting mode. Put it back, one flash, one touch. And also we include the rail so that customer can attach like the grips or the other feature that they want to edit. In the back it has a lock and unlock, so that you can remove this adapter from the Glock or tighten on the Glock. And the below red button, when you put it down and you press up, you can detach this on the pistol. And right here we have a Type-C and the power button. So this button right here is to connect with the panel. this is Genesee. So you can also set in the tracer in Genesee using our app. In the trace mode, it has a on and off button, so you can click on and off here. Normal mode, which is the tracer mode. Sniper mode, so that you can hidden the how many counts you want and how many trace you would like in. For this sample is 7 shots, and it will embed 2 BBs. In the framer mode, you can now select different mode in this session. You can turn off, or you can use the mono mode and the color you would like to choose, and you will choose it. Blue, okay, confirm, and it will display. And now you can choose the length of the beams. Also the big force mode. Now you can reverse or you can stand up. And there's a multi-layer mode. Now you can select how many layers you would like and which color you would like to choose. And when you confirm it, then it will show. And below 1, 2, 3 is you can save the setting right now. And for the dynamic mode, you also can do in a different count. Now, the cool thing is you have built-in chronograph, so you can see the speed of BBs and the metrics and the gels inside this device. This is our brand new B-Force BT. It's also include the Bluetooth function. So right now you can setting the pins in the app. So let me display the feature inside. Now it's with the Type C. So we open it, and then you can connect through the apps. The features are similar with Genesee, so you can select the tracer and sniper mode and how many hidden trace. And the framer setting also can be done in the app and choose the different mode. And this also come with the chrono inside built in. Okay, 然后 Mark MK3. This is a new model called AC6000 Mark III BT. Now you can see it has a color for screen, and you can test this. And we also can connect the app inside. And just record into the all in the app settings.
Yeah. If you're tool and we make inside, okay? Yes, yes. Sorry, we are so busy and run out of the main card. So, main card from Thai, my name is